In this video, we will see how to show, send and archive button in reply on your Gmail. This is a setting if you want to show, send and archive button on reply on your Gmail, then open Gmail account first, and here from the top right corner, you will find the settings cog. Click on settings. Here, click on see all settings. Under settings, you will find a list of options. Here, choose general settings and scroll down and you will find send and archive. So send and archive button in reply, hide send and archive button in reply. From where you can easily, if you want to enable, then show send and archive button in reply, make the check against this option. Otherwise, hide send and archive button in reply. Both the feature are available on your Gmail account settings page. And finally, click on save changes from the bottom of the Gmail account setting page. That's all.